What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Grim Runner. It's your boy Clef. We back at it again with another video today. Now, I know it's been a minute since we did any type of modification, but today we actually got a mod coming. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all this little pretty cheap mod that I found on Amazon. When I went on Amazon to pick up a few things to beef up security on my car, I was like, you know what? I might as well just grab a couple little interior things that I stumbled upon. And I think these things look really cool, man. These things were like, I think like $15 if I'm not mistaken. And they're pretty much placement mats that are gonna go inside of the cup holder, inside of here, inside the actual door panels right here. So yeah, I'm excited, man. I'm gonna just get straight to the point. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and you smash that thumbs up. Make sure you drop a comment, and let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. So I bust the package open. I just wanted to kind of get an idea and, you know, just feel the material and see if it's good quality. And surprisingly, it actually feels like, you know, feels pretty decent. For $15, I mean, I can't complain. It doesn't feel cheap by any means. The Dodge symbol has a gloss on the red, and yeah, I'm actually pretty satisfied. So this one goes in the center console right here. It's kind of dark down here, but as you can see, it just pops right into place for the most part. And then all of the other ones, they are going to go in this cup holder right here, and we actually going to put them in right here. But I just want y'all to see the packaging real quick before I go ahead and install it. So from this particular company, it looks like they give you some type of lifetime warranty, you know, I guess when you purchase this modification. So we'll see. You know, hopefully they stand, hopefully they last. You know, I live in Vegas, so it's pretty hot, so we'll see how they stand the test of time. But yeah, just go ahead and let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so I kind of got these things spread it out. I got the ones that are supposed to go here, placed here, and the ones that are supposed to go in the doors, I just got them kind of scattered around. But I mean, this should be real quick. I just want y'all to kind of see and get an idea where the pieces go. So obviously they just pretty much just pop in. Literally takes no effort. But what I can say is, I mean, the accent is pretty dope. So just going from standard of what it was before, let me just let y'all get a closer look. I think it's pretty solid, and it should stand out with the rest of the car. And these over here, so these right here go in this, they go in the cup holders. And then I got this one kind of in place because I was confused by these right here. These actually go in the door panel. So I'm gonna actually just go ahead and just drop this. I think that's pretty cool, even though you barely could see in there, but you know, you got a little something in there. See, it's kind of even, it's hard to even see in there right now, but it's all to the good. And we got this one. No, actually, hold on, let me swap this around. There we go. So the way that these work, if you can see, let me kind of zoom in a little bit. So it doesn't completely fill up the entire space. It kind of just sits right in the groove, but still looks pretty good. All right, so now we go ahead and drop to the cup holder one. So just literally fit right in the groove, and these actually fit perfect. I like that. Just cool little accents that bring the car out a little bit. So I'm gonna just go ahead and take it to the other side. Like I said, this was just pretty much a fast install, nothing fancy, but I thought it was pretty dope, especially with my car being black and red. So we got this over here. Just drop that right in the groove, and this should fit perfectly over here. These things got like a weird little shape. I didn't even realize the cup holder was shaped like this. And look, bingo, got that right there. And then once again, we got this little back groove right here. We go ahead and just drop that in. Yeah, this kind of weird, man. I don't even know what goes right here. I guess this some type of little storage compartment that I never even really paid attention to like that. But yeah, man, quick, easy, simple mod. Brings out the accents of the car. And I actually think I got one more to pop in the back cup holder, but I just want to kind of let y'all see what it looked like. All right, y'all, so this is the last and final piece. This one is just all one piece, but it goes into our actual double cup holder right here. So we just go ahead and drop that in. And yeah, man, like I said, it to me, just this small little mod just kind of make the colors pop in the car. So I'm absolutely loving it. I'm gonna just close this up real quick. I'm pretty sure it's gonna move because there's nothing to keep it down. But yeah, it's all to the good. all to the good. So I'm gonna just give y'all one quick last run through, just so you can kind of see the full picture of everything. Like I said, very subtle, but it makes the colors pop, especially with me having a red and black interior. So for $15, you cannot beat that at all. Alright y'all, so that pretty much is gonna wrap it up for the video. Like I said, I just wanted to get straight into the point, just to show y'all a quick and easy modification. Now I actually got another mod coming. When they broke into my car, I didn't realize that they actually damaged my puddle lights. So I got some brand new puddle lights I'm gonna go ahead and install. But that's gonna wrap it up. I didn't want to take too much of y'all time. Once again, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and you smash that thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll be back with another one.